Dimensions and weight are important for labs with limited space, or when the device needs to be moved frequently. Typical dimensions and weight. Compact size. Dimensions. Typically around 20 W, x 18 D, x 13 H. Importance. Fits easily on benchtops or in tight spaces. Weight. Typical. Ranges from 25 to 40 pounds, 11 to 18 kilograms. Importance. Portable for easy relocation. Space efficiency. Design. Often designed with a small footprint to maximize lab space. Importance. Ideal for crowded laboratory environments. Mobility. Features. Some models include wheels or handles for easy movement. Importance. Facilitates transport between lab areas. Stacking capability. Option. Certain models can be stacked to save space. Importance. Optimizes storage in compact labs. Understanding the dimensions and weight of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge is crucial for optimizing lab space and ensuring convenient handling. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding dimensions and weight, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.